Are you making these common wig mistakes? Let's find out. Hello everybody! Welcome! Today, we dive into the beautiful world of wigs. They can transform your look and boost your confidence. Wigs offer a glorious playground for self-expression. Let's get started on this enlightening path together. Alright, let's talk about the very first step, the absolute bedrock of a great wig experience, the fit. If your wig is too tight, you'll get headaches and irritation. Too loose? Constant worry and adjustments. Measure your head correctly for the perfect fit. A well-fitted wig lets you be your fabulous self. Now that we've talked about size, let's delve a little deeper into the very architecture of your Wig Cap Construction. From basic caps, which are often more affordable and durable, to lace front caps that give you that incredibly realistic hairline, to monofilament tops that allow for multi-directional parting and give the illusion of hair growing right from your scalp. Understanding these differences is key to choosing a wig that truly works for you and your lifestyle. So, you found the perfect size, you understand the cap construction. Now, let's talk about keeping that beautiful wig securely and comfortably on your head. For many, a wig grip band is a game changer. These are typically velvet-like bands that create a non-slip surface for your wig to adhere to, often without needing any messy glues or tapes. The key is to experiment. Find what works for your wig type, your skin sensitivity, and your lifestyle. Now, this is a truth that applies to so many beautiful things in our lives. If you want them to last, if you want them to continue bringing you joy, you have to care for them. Regular cleaning and conditioning are not just suggestions. They are essential practices to keep your wig looking fresh, feeling soft, and maintaining its style and vibrancy. Making this a regular part of your routine will extend the life of your wig dramatically and keep it looking its absolute best. This flows so naturally from our last point about maintenance because the you use are just as important as the itself. Regular hair care products, the ones you might use on your own biological hair, are often too harsh or contain ingredients that can damage wig fibers, especially synthetic ones. Investing in the right products is investing in the beauty and longevity of your wig. So many times a new wig wearer will take the wig out of the box, put it on their head and think, well, this doesn't look quite right. Wigs, especially when they are brand new, often need a little bit of coaxing, a little bit of personality infused into them to truly make them look like hair, a little bit of finger styling, a slight tuck behind the ear, adjusting the part. These simple acts can make a world of difference. Chapter 7, The Placement Predicament, Wearing the Wig. Too high or low. Wearing your wig too far forward or back can signal it's a wig. Too low shortens your face and feels heavy. Too far back exposes your hairline or looks like it's about to fall off. Correct placement makes a huge difference for a natural look. For those of you who are wearing a wig to supplement your own hair, or perhaps using a topper or a partial wig, this chapter is especially for you. The mistake here is not taking the time to artfully blend the wig with your natural hair, which can create a noticeable line of demarcation, or a mismatch in texture or color that screams wig alert. It's these little details, these artist's touches that create that truly undetectable, flawless finish. This is where you truly get to make the wig your own, to transform it from a generic piece into a signature style that perfectly complements your unique features. Many wigs, especially when they first arrive, can have a bit too much hair, or the style might not perfectly flatter your face shape. This step is crucial for ensuring the wig looks like it was truly meant for you, enhancing your natural beauty and making you feel like the best version of yourself. We've talked about choosing, securing, maintaining, and styling your wig. But what happens when you take it off at the end of the day? How you store your wig is just as important as how you care for it when it's on your head. A little care in storage goes a long way in preserving the beauty, style, and integrity of your wig, ensuring it's ready for you to shine in it again and again. And there you have it, the top mistakes that many new wig wearers make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them to step into your full wig-wearing confidence. I truly hope that by understanding these common pitfalls, you feel more empowered, more knowledgeable, and more excited than ever to explore the transformative power of wigs. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these mistakes resonated with you the most? Was there an aha moment where you thought, oh, that's me? Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on wig care and styling. Until next time, go out there and let your light and your fabulous hair shine brightly.